classical music while I drive. Hello. Howdy. Before I go in, I went and got coffee. Some Starbucks. I get an iced mocha. I'm gonna get an iced mocha, almond milk, no whipped cream, and then half the pumps of mocha. It's extra, I know, but I just like, I like mochas, but sometimes Starbucks makes them way too sweet with how many, they do like 6 pumps in a venti, and I'm like, that's too much. Just got back from Texas. I went to my parents to grab some packages, so I want to unbox them for you. I already unboxed one that I regret not filming because it was from ALPHALETE, and it was like, I wanted to cry. It was so sweet. I turned 25 when I was in Texas, and they sent me champagne, roses, chocolates. Like, it was just so thoughtful. Thank you, ALPHALETE, Dylan, Christian, Stephanie, for sending that. That was literally so thoughtful. Summer shredding was so much fun. It was definitely hectic, like a lot more hectic than I thought it would be. Like, I was like, oh, what are we even gonna do some days? We did the booth, which was so amazing. I got to meet a bunch of the Discord girlies, which literally like made our trip. Like, they were so kind. I was so nervous, and I have really bad social anxiety, and I just feel like I end up word vomiting or saying stupid crap, but like, they were just so easy to talk to. I just want to say a little shout out to Christy, Kate, Heather, Sarah, Joanne, all for saying hi. Y'all literally, again, made our trip. It was so nice to meet you guys. It warmed my heart so much because I feel like social media can sometimes be a very negative space, but this also showed the like positive side of social media, like meeting so many people from all over. Like, some of the girls came from Canada, like all over. The trip was so good. And also I met Amy and Christine in real life. We have been like texting, DMing for a hot minute, so it's so like crazy and exciting to like meet them in person. Absolutely lovely. We're now like besties for life. We're bonded. We got an Airbnb all together, and we just had a hoot. We had a hoot of a time, and I loved it, and I loved them. So happy and grateful that I got to go. But now we gotta get back on track. We gotta get back to the grind. I hibernated for a few days. I did absolutely nothing. I ain't gonna lie. That's just me. My social battery was drained. I feel like a lot of people's social battery was probably drained. I lost my voice. I talk so much. I've never talked that much in my life. I love it though. Also, any girlies that want to join my Discord, definitely DM me. It's for girls only. It's the gals only, okay? So I don't make the link public, but feel free to DM me on Instagram, and I'll send you the link. It's like a nice safe space where we get to like chat about everything. I usually post launch sneak peeks. I'm gonna go in, unbox some of the packages I bought. I've been doing quite a bit of shopping. I need to stop it. Stop it. Sir, that's what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna do the gym later because I want to work out in my Barbie pink Lazuli set. I'm so excited. I got a 1-up package, you guys. There is a sour gummy worm pre-workout. I got stem free, and then I got the normal one. Both have pump volumizers in it, so I will be drinking probably the stem free because I had coffee for the gym. Hopefully I like it because I bought 2 just to stock up, because I feel like their flavors are limited edition, so I don't want to miss out. And then I got the cookies and cream protein. I believe this has like cookies and cream bits in it, which is a little bit different than the other one, so I had to snag. And then I got more cookies and cream protein bars because you guys know I love those. And then they had the s'mores in stock, so I got those to try. Then there was a sale at Shop Vitality. This is the only item I've ever bought from them, and that is their jumpsuits. I got it in a green, a mauve, and then I saw this pink and like royal blue, and had to have. They're so flattering. I sized down to an extra small. One thing I wish is that maybe the straps crossed, because I find that because it's wider in the back, they slip off a little bit. But it's like a buttery soft material. It's got these like bone details at the waist, so it really snatches you in. And it's just like such an easy outfit to like throw on to run errands while still being very flattering. So I had to snag 2. I used Tracy's code. I got, again, the Lazuli package, which I will be doing a review, but these are launching July 28th. Code Bailey will save you 10%. And then I got Buff Bunny package for some of the pieces that were late to the Naked launch. And that is the Revolution halter. I got an extra small. It's Newbury fabric. This is the color Cocoa. I love a halter. I'm so excited. And then I got it again in Stardust. I regret not getting ivory and black as well because I know this is probably gonna be a staple. You just cannot go wrong with a halter. And Stardust is like my favorite color. And then I got the Aurora sports bra, which is like this, still kind of like a squircle neck, square circle. And then the back looks like this. And then more scrunch socks because these are like my favorite socks ever now. So, that's my Buff Bunny. And then I got some bikinis from 437. They sent some. Super cute. This like bustier in blue. Some bottoms. And then I got this like gingham. Is that the name of the print? I believe. Like triangle top with little rose. It's definitely cheeky and high cut. And then I got just like a basic brown. Where did the top go? One side tie. Got some stuff from Hollister for Italy. And I'm washing one of them, but I went back and reordered. I'll have a link down below. It's like this. It's like an activewear dress, but laces up in the back. I got it in pink and then ordered it in purple after wearing it in Texas because it is so flattering. It snatches the waist and it's just such an easy outfit to like throw on to run errands. So I got it in gray. This one's a little bit different. It doesn't have, excuse me, it doesn't have the lace up, but the straps are adjustable and you can like make them cross over or go straight back because you can take this part off. Has removable cups and the material is a little bit more of like a line Wonder Unders, whereas the pink material is a little bit more slick, more of a performance fabric. And then I got this. I'm so sad. There was one that said Malibu, but I waited too late. I always do this. I wait too late to buy because I'm like, oh, do I need it? And then I regret not snagging it because it sells out. So I got this one that's Tulum. I got it in a large. I love Hollister and Abercrombie Fitch sweatshirts, crews, because it's literally the softest material. And I just, oh, it's so cute. So I had to snag. But this top, I have it in blue, so I went back for another color. And it's just this, it's almost like swimsuit material. It's a halter top with these bones in it. It's got removable cups. I got it in blue and brown, and I just think paired with shorts, jeans, skirt, skort. So cute. It's a nice neutral that I'll be taking to Italy. I got this, which I tried on in pink at Hollister. But then I saw it came in red and I don't have much red. So I was like, I need this. I got an extra small long because I wanted it tight, but I still want it to be long enough. And it's this like off the shoulder, off the shoulder romper. So it looks like a dress, but it literally has shorts, which is perfect. I saw these on the site. Like I randomly one day was like on New Balance website. And I was like, I wonder if there's any new 90/60s. I missed the sea salt by like a few hours. I'm so sad. But then I saw these pink and was like, I was like debating because I was like, you know, I normally go for more neutral shoes, but I was like, pink 90/60s, I need. And I'm glad I did because literally the next day they were completely taken off the website. So these are the 90/60s. I get a 4.5 because they are men's shoes. So a 4.5 is equivalent to a women's 6. So this is what they look like. They're so comfy. Every time I wear the 90/60s, I get so many compliments, and it's funny, I get compliments the most from like men about my shoes. But yeah, they had pink, and I'm like, so if you can't get them from New Balance's website, I usually buy them from Goat, StockX, Kicks Crew. I bought from all three of those and have had no issues. So you could definitely try those out. I will say some of them usually are higher. So I, have been trying lately to just check the New Balance site so I can get them cheaper. That's my little haul. Thanks for watching. I gotta go to the gym. It's 3:28. I am stressed. I'm really stressed. My phone's charging. It almost died. It's like 2%, so it needs to charge before I go to the gym. So I have to wait on that. And my food is settled anyways. I'm just stressing. I don't like going to the gym when it's dark. And I feel like this time is gonna be really crowded the later I go. Yeah, I got the quesadilla explosion salad, chips and salsa. So good. Sometimes I'd be nervous about lettuce. You know? I finished all 3 episodes of the 2nd season of The Summer I Turned Pretty, so I'm just like waiting for them to upload more. Oh, she daisy. But yeah, I should had a mic on me for ASMR. I'm gonna do my hair now. I think I'm just gonna do a ponytail. I don't know, I really want space buns, but I'm just not in the mood. That takes so long and it hurts my head every time I do it. I'm gonna pull out my money pieces to contour my big old forehead. Okay. People in high school used to make fun of me, high school and middle school. For my massive forehead, they would call me Hummer and Windshield Wiper. And yeah, that stuck with me. Yeah, for the longest time I used to always want like a forehead transplant because of it. But you know what? F them kids, because people in middle school and high school were so mean. And like the crazy thing is like those stupid things like in remarks that mean kids say literally will stick with you. My tummy hurts. The salad messed up my tummy. Ooh. Alright, ponytail done. Nothing fancy. Okay, is the bootying in these? The bunda-bundaing? I feel like they are. And then once I get a pump, bang. Just bang. So this is the final fit. I paired it with the Bloom ALPHALETE Amplify long sleeve and I'm obsessed. It's so freaking cute. It goes perfectly. And then I'm pairing it again with my pink New Balances. I'm hot. It is 5:20, but I made it to the gym. It's hot as freaking my car. I'm gonna take this inside, but it's the pre-workout stem-free since I had coffee. This is the sour gummy worm flavor. It helps with performance, endurance, pump, and your focus for your workout. The pump is juicy, and I want to get a really good booty pic, so I need that. They redid the gym, and I was thinking it was going to be all aesthetic. Tell me why. I literally walk in here in shock. Coming from ALPHALETE, which is like a very aesthetic gym, and then having to come back home to this, I'm like, I need to move to Texas, guys. Let's mix up our pre. I am in shock, guys. Everyone else there has like these super aesthetic gyms, and now mine is like, wait, what is the cartoon of the dog, the giant dog? Is it Big Red? That's exactly what this red is. I can't. I'm gonna play the same song on repeat until I am absolutely sick of it. Yeah. That was trash. Why? Back squat. I normally do the V-squat machine, as you guys know. I'm a hoe for a V-squat, but I'm venturing out. I have no weight on, and I can barely do that because I'm a scrawny hoe, okay? I used to be stronger, but you know, inconsistency, it got me. So we're gonna do no weight, as many as I can do. I really need to figure out the right stance for this because if I'm too far up here, my quads are burning. I've been going like wider and higher up, and that's been helping, but put on some funk. So we're gonna be doing V-squat step-ups. Start with my weaker leg, because again, I have a glute imbalance and I find that this leg usually gets tired quicker, so I can't do as many reps as this one. And I don't want to be doing more reps on the stronger side. So I'm going to start with the weaker leg. For step-ups, especially from the V-squat, you go under this and then you want this resting on your shoulders. And then when you come down, you want to remember to hinge. So imagine pushing your hips back or using just your glutes to like shut a door. And then you want to be pushing through your heel when you come back up. Only slightly tap with this foot on the floor. You don't want to be pushing up with this foot. I'm gonna finish it with this, so just 4 exercises. You guys already know this, I do this all the time, but I kid you not, it is so good for glute growth. The glute medius kickbacks. So again, 35 to 45 degree angle to the side, and then we're gonna superset it with side abductions. So you're gonna be bringing your leg out, and that's it, that's the superset.